So we're running down the street with this giant whiteboard on wheels and cops pull us over. We end up at a parade and these kids are like, what are you talking about?
Hey, it's John Armstrong here, and if you don't already know, Jamie is the OG of the online marketing game. He's like an alien with alien brains who can see the future. He's added 7 figures to my bottom line, and I've only been doing this since 2017. Since then, I've done over $10 million.
He's like Yoda, you know Yoda in Star Wars?
So here's this guy, he's got this Beats 365s.
And I looked at the readout and it said Ty Cohen, all the way down the page. And I'm like, who is this Ty Cohen guy?
Long story short, we become affiliates.
I mean, he was just killing it and it kept going.
He thinks so far outside of the box because it's so different from everything else in the market.
I'm the top affiliate marketer on JV Zoo for about 8 years.
Building these giant sets in the backyard, like the volcano and the spaceship.
There was a spaceship.
It's kind of hard to build them, so I was like, I'm gonna build all of them in miniature. So I built this city in my basement. Flew out to Vegas, went to the ClickBank party. I met the CEO and I said, I wanna do a program on how to make money online, but the entire sales video is a Broadway musical.
And that also showed me that if both him and I could take products that were geared towards artists and musicians and people that just had a genuine love and interest in music and apply marketing to it, the same principles and skill set could be applied to anything, and you could use those things to sell any product or service.
He passed on these strategies to me and I went on to make over $700,000 in online sales, right? And Jamie played a very big part in that.